Gold has hit 2740-42 levels precisely yesterday and has reversed, while silver has also seen a struggle at 3420. Now, somebody has asked a question that how, when the prices are at record highs, how should we arrive at resistance levels? How do we know this? Now, see, this is an art, and you can see how beautifully. Do watch my weekly review, and I have shared yesterday as well. 2740-42 is going to be the prime resistance. Beyond this, you can expect 2750-52 levels. Now, that is another discussion. We will discuss it sometime in my educational videos. But for today, what to expect from gold and silver, how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. With the help of multi-time frame analysis, we will try to find out where to enter, where to exit, and how to profit. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon, as this is the first update. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation and support from you all. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And remember, friends, I do not run any investment scheme, and there are multiple fraudulent channels on Telegram. Do only join the recommended channel as per the link there in the channel and video description. And also, you can ping me before putting any investment anywhere. My Insta ID, my Telegram ID, my email, everything is there in the channel and video description. Do write an email, do ping me on Telegram, get an answer from me personally before putting money in any fraudulent schemes. With that, let's start. First gold, followed with silver. Now see gold on the hourly charts. First, a vertical fall from 2740. We have seen prices moving towards 2714 levels, and now it is trying to retrace. Now I still see this as a retracement, and I expect that the gold has taken this trend. It may try to create a flag like this. Now, flag like this means on the hourly charts, where are the potential lows towards 2700 levels? Potentially, yes, we may see it trading in this zone before it takes any breakout here on the upside. So it appears that the highs here are going to be difficult to break past by. So you have to be very, very careful again today towards 2740-42. Though we can initiate a buying entry at 2736, however, we have to be very careful till towards 2740-42. But yes, if it breaks past by 42, we can look forward to another good rise here. Moving averages are again starting to diverge. Stochastic overbought. See, MACD has seen a good drop now, trying to retrace a little before it takes a direction. RSI rising here as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, it appears that it is see, it has come down to 20 period. It is rising here. It appears that it can deliver a V-shaped recovery. A potential double top can be seen, and then higher highs cannot be denied. Now higher highs means 27 50 52. But if you look at the formation here, largely you will find every time gold has taken the support from the 20 period, we have seen a good rise. Now second thing here is, this time it has breached past by, failing to sustain. It is trying to recover, and yes, this drop has come from extremely higher levels. So now potentially what I am looking forward to is this flag formation. However, this will completely negate if it breaks past by the yesterday's high here. So be mindful of this. Stochastic rising. The MACD after the crossover was trading bearish. It has just tried to converge, not yet crossed over. RSI is rising as well. And on the 3 hour, now see on the 3 hour chart, see how many candles it took for gold to hit these levels from here, and just 2 candles it has erased all the gains from last 10 to 12 candles. Now this is the support zone it has to break. In fact, even if you see gold trading below 2720 today, you can take a selling entry, wait for 2714, 2712 levels to be taken, and once it drops below this, the chances will be high that we may see gold at 270205, breaking below which you can see a sharper drop here. Now see on the 3 hour charts, a reversal sign, couple of bearish candles, couple of bullish candles. Now look at the size of the candles diminished here. That is why also I say potentially we may look forward to this formation where the highs for the day could be at around 2736, and it could start trading in this flag formation. Stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over on the 3 hour charts, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. This crossover has come after a good bull run, so potentially it could continue to retrace for a while. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Now, yesterday I have drawn this in my update that when you see a V shape or a sharp rise, it is always followed with a good fall. Precisely, it has happened. Coming to 4 hours, the observation is more or less same. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge, and yes, I do not see it breaking past by this. And now once you see it breaking past by 27.40.42, again I am highlighting this fact. I will look forward to 27.47, 27.52 levels as the next targets. However, right now the movement is very much confined. Look at the formation here. See candles closing below 27.34. This is an important observation, and thus 27.34.36 is going to be a prime resistance zone on the upside. The stochastic rising after hitting the lows, while the crossover in the MACD is a significant, you can say, event, because see this crossover has come after a stronger bull run. What has happened here? You can see this. It can replicate the same here as well. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, and on the daily. Now see on the daily charts, look at the formation. V-shaped recovery, consolidation, and then this is stronger run. Now just look at the last two candles. This is just the week beginning candles, and then yesterday we have seen a swing candle. Here it is closed in red. That is the important thing to note. Now today it is started on a flat note, and thus at least today 27.40.42, and now let me include 27.47 as well. So till 27.47, because see hitting higher highs also we have seen prices reversing and delivering the red candle. Why there could be a red candle here? See too much of divergence here. Now too much of divergence calls for it to converge. If you look at the formation here, what has happened? This could start doing the same. We have seen a run here. Now it may try to form a flag here. Stochastic over MACD is still divergent, bullish and rising. This is one thing that confirms that uh, there is still potential for gold on the upside, because see look at the formation here, and now it is looking upward, so potentially it can hit the highs here. RSI overbought and is still looking upward. So looking at this, it is not that gold cannot rise further, but right now we have to exercise a bit of caution. uh, you can buy here at 27.36. However, 27.40.42 first resistance, 27.47 the second, and then 27.51.552. So these are the three levels. Specifically till 27.47 today, chances of reversal will be high. And yes, before I give you the selling entries as well, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And remember friends, it is very important to have a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, and yes, which offers you a safer environment with easier transactions and withdrawals. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And now buying entries we have already mentioned 27.36. Be careful till towards 40.42, then 47, then 51.552, and then after this just stay bullish. It is not going to come back down again, or even if it drops, I think dropping below 27.20 will be difficult. Now on the downside, you can sell here at 27.26 levels. Expect 27.22.20 as the first support zone. Below 27.22.20 we can expect 27.14.15 as the next, and if it drops below 27.14, chances will be high that we may see 27.06, 27.02 levels as the next target. Below this 26.90 level should appear, and 26.84 should be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the RD charts, too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period calling for it to converge. We have now seen the 20 period moving average providing it a good support. Also see 33.80 levels and 33.50 levels. I have mentioned these two levels very clearly yesterday. These two levels proven out to be a greater support so far, but look at the formation, the sharper drop and a gradual rise. Now it is very important for silver to trade above 34.20, 34.30 zone. This is going to be the prime resistance zone. See, none of the candles have closed above 34.20. That is an important observation. Thus, these levels have become crucial now for silver to break past by. Now, see, it has taken a support here from the 20 period. This can lead to a rise, which can take now the prices towards 34.60, 34.80 levels as well. Let's see further. Stochastic rising, MACD after retracement trying to converge, RSI rising. Coming to 2 hour chart, likewise on the 2 hour charts, retracement taking support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back. Resistance here, even if it shows a V-shaped recovery, resistance here, breaking past by 3420, 3430 zone, we can look forward to 3450-60 today as the first target zone, and beyond this we can see a stronger rise. What has happened? See, rise, retracement towards 20 period, and it can continue with this bull run here. In fact, can move towards 35 as well. See, whenever it takes a support here like this, always follows with a stronger rise. But for this to happen, it has to break past by first resistance zone at 3420-30. We have to be careful here. Then I will expect 3450, 3465, 3485, and $35 levels as the next targets here. Stochastic rising. MACD interestingly has crossed over after a good rise and it is trading bearish, and this confirms that because this crossover has come at a slightly higher levels, uh, we have to wait, because see, it can form a double top. This one phenomena I am always being cautious of. Right now I can see it is still staying bearish and there is lot much of downside. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour charts, bigger tail here, support here from 3350. Now it has formed a base at 3380. Now today the bearishness in silver is only and only if you see it trading below 3380. At least till 3380 I will not recommend you to sell here. That is very clear. While on the upside, look at these candles here. Every time it has approached 3420 levels, we have seen a push from the upside. So let it break beyond 3420-30 zone, and then it will confirm another round of rise. Now see, there is lot much of white space available here on the downside. Too much of divergence of the moving averages and too much of divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge. Stochastic rising. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. This crossover can lead to slight bearishness as it is coming from extremely higher levels here. So we have to be cautious at current levels certainly. RSI is also staying extremely overbought, and on the 4 hour charts likewise similar observation is seen here. We have seen it almost at the top. A V-shaped recovery is seen, and now we have to be watchful at the current levels, 3420, 3430 zone. Beyond this, we can look forward to another round of rise where the prices can just fly like this. However, the higher it goes, the higher skeptical I will be about further rise, because it is trading at an extremely overbought zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is almost at the top here. It is not willing to cross over. RSI is also staying overbought. Coming to daily, the observation here is same on the daily charts. Look at the formation, rise, retracement, another round of rise. It could start to retrace. What it could try to do, it can trade in this channel where the bottom should be at around 32, 33, and highs are now far above. Where are the highs here? See, it can keep moving till towards 35, 50, 36 levels, and thus today is going to be one critical day. And if you see silver trading above 3420-30, you can buy. Expect 3445, 3465, and then 3485, $35 levels at the next targets. Beyond 35, stay bullish for the rest of the week for 3550, 3580 levels as the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3380 levels today. Below this, you can expect 3360, 3350 levels as the first target. Then below 3350, I will expect 3320 and 3280 levels as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.